Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, this is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. I got 2 Ipsy bags today. I got a limited edition summer refresh mystery bag. And then I have the July 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it's $25 a month, and you choose 3 out of 5 products. 2 of them they choose for you. This one I want to open up first. I think it was $14, and it's supposed to be random stuff. Summer items, like I think like skincare kind of related items. So let's open up. I got it open up. And here's the bag. It's really pretty, isn't it? It's a mystery, and it's got something else in here. Let's see what we got. It's all random stuff. I don't know what I got. Okay, we got the Dr. Botanicals Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. I don't know the price or anything. It's just random stuff. Here's what the little bottle looks like for it. Or squeezy tube, whatever you want to call it. Pretty nice. Here's the bag. Isn't it really cute? It's got Ipsy right there. You see it? You open it up. It's like a snap. That's really nice. And there's a little sneak peek of what's in there. It's pretty nice. I thought it'd be nice for like a wallet or something. What is the first item? First item is a liquid eyeliner. I can never spell these names. I think the more expensive, the more you can't spell them. Jante Blue. I'm gonna say it's that. Ultra lasting formula. Hang on a second. Okay, I got it open. I might gift this to somebody. I'm not big on eyeliner. If it's brown, I might give it a whirl. It's black. I might use it. I'm just not big on black eyeliners. They got black eyeliners everywhere in these bags. That's why I went to Ipsy, or the Glam Bag Plus, because I'd get so much of the same stuff all the time. Okay, here's the next one. This is a PYT Day to Night Cool Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, those are pretty. I'll probably use those. I like glittery colors anyway. There's that color. Let's swatch this color. See? They're pretty sheer too. It's pretty. And those would go good together. See, they kind of blend in good together. We got this matte right here. Ooh, that's nice too. I like those. They're not bad. I like shimmer. Anything shimmer I like. So those are pretty good colors. They're nice, and you know they kind of, those 2 shimmers go good together too. I like that. Alright. Got 3 more items. What's this item? Moroccan Magic Lip Balm. Man, I got so many lip balms, but I don't know. Can't do without them either. Like, I can't stand my lips to be dry. It drives me up the wall. Hang on a second. Okay, I opened up the package. It's regular lip balm. Ooh, it smells good. Let's see. It smells good too. It's coconutty. I like coconut scent. Okay. Oh my goodness, I do not need no more lip gloss. Maybe that's a wrong idea. I thought this would be more skincare, but it's okay. It's a Stay All Day Lottie London, or Slay All Day. Kind of a purpley pinky shade. Try to open it. That opened easy. It's kind of dark. It's all messy, but it's okay. Oh, I got some on my cheek. It's nice. Maybe I could put like some shimmer with it or something. That's pretty nice. It's just, I'm sorry, it's all kind of messy looking. It's okay. Let's see. Another eyeshadow palette. Let me see. I don't know if this is worth $14. Oh well. I haven't ever bought a mystery bag, so I thought I'd try it. Okay, got it open. It's kind of pretty too. Let's see. Open up. I hope it's not the same thing. Same one? No. Ooh. Those are pretty. There's this one. That's nice. I like shades like this too. That's pretty. I'll have to try them sometime. I don't know. I get too much makeup and only wear it on the weekends. This lipstick's, it's okay. That's all for that one. It was okay. This would be cute as a wallet, wouldn't it? That's very cute. And now to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Pretty excited. Here's a bag, and it's cute. The sun, and it says "Stay Golden." Very cute. I like the colors too. First, we got, this one was out of the bag. It's a Cookie Full Coverage Foundation. I have a, what's it, Anastasia Beverly Hills, like a luminous foundation, I think it's called. And I think it's a little thick. I mean, it's nice, but I thought maybe this would be a little bit thinner. Maybe I could take a little break from it. But this looks pretty nice, and it looks like it matches my shade, my skin tone. It's pretty. Okay, what's the next one? Okay. I think I got 2 mascaras. I really don't need mascaras, but they come in handy. This is a Il Maquillage. More expensive, the more you can't spell it, I swear. Black card. Just a mascara, I think. I'm not going to open it up, but there it is. It looks nice. I'll have to try it out. Or, well, let me show you the wand anyway. I think it's kind of different looking. That's weird looking. See it? It's kind of weird for mascara, but we'll see it. I'll try it. And looks like it'd be good for the lower eyelashes. You know, they're kind of hard to get to sometimes. Let's see. What is the next one? There's a little card. Stay Golden. Oh, I never really read them. Just some junk on it. I wish they'd show what the product info was, but they just, I think it's a waste of paper. Oh, I need to tell you the price of the mascara. Hang on a second. Let me see. I forgot. I don't know the prices from the other bag. It's random stuff. Okay, that was $25. A lot more than I want to pay for something like that, but it is what it is. But, you know, we paid $25 for 5 random products. Well, not random, but you know what I'm talking about. You're not going out in the store and buying it for that price. So. Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. Dr. Brandt. You can always use a cleanser, sorry. And It's not in French, so it shouldn't be too expensive. Let's see how much this was. Or how much the retail value is. $36. Well, it's more than I want to pay, but at the same time, it's not too high. Okay. The next product is Fenty Beauty. Ipsy better have my makeup, I tell you that much, and they got the makeup. Yes, they did. Sorry. Ipsy better have my makeup. I like the packaging. One stroke intensity, long wear, matte finish. And I think this is a lipstick, lip gloss thing. And it's better have my makeup, tell you that much. Sorry. Being goofy. It's called Uncuff the color. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the packaging too. That looks nice. Let's see. It's all fancy too. Ooh. Let's see. It's better have my makeup. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's nice. I already got something on my lips, so I'd try it, but I like that. And the applicator is kind of interesting. It's different, and I like how it you kind of set it on something, you know. Looks pretty nice. Let's see how much the Rihanna lip gloss is, and it's had my makeup. Stunner lip paint. That's what it's called. Stunner. I got the name. Stunner. Sorry. $25. It's not bad. Let's go to the next one. Keep It Handy Glow. Glow On Fifth Beauty. What was this? Oh, it's hand cream. Hang on, let me open it. I love hand cream. Got it open. Keep It Handy hand cream. Let's see if it's got a scent. It's probably got a safety seal. No? It's got a weird smell. I can't think of what it smells like, but I don't really have like a good scent, you know, like usually lotions have that, you know, that luxurious scent or whatever. It smells okay. See how much this bad boy was, or retail value anyway. Let's see. $38. Dang, I would not pay that much. It doesn't really smell good either. I like something that's like hand lotion that kind of smells good. You know what I mean? One that don't smell good. It's like, Feels moisturizing. Feels very light though. I'll give it that. But let's see. What else we got? We got a BB cheek color. I thought this would be interesting to get. It's like a blush. It's like a cream blush kind of thing. Get it open. There we go. By Perlise. It's a good brand. Let's see. There it is. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Oh, what the heck. There we go. Got out of focus for a second. Okay, there's the applicator. Let's see here. Got a little bit of color right there. See it? Blend it in. It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty natural looking too. I like that color. Some scent, no. But I like that it looks natural and it's, you know, you put You can put like your foundation, then your cheek color, then powder it, and I think it'll look very nice. Got one more item. I think it's a mascara. It's It Lash Blowout. And I think I have this. Maybe I've gotten it before. I used to get the Ipsy. I used to get the regular Ipsy, but I don't do that anymore. But sometimes I like to get like this is a $3 add-on you can get with your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that Cookie one, that Cookie foundation, that was an add-on too. They're like $2 or $3, which ain't bad. I mean, try to go to the store and get a $2 or $3 mascara. It's gonna be at least $5 at least. Here it is. Let's see, and I think I've tried this before. I think it's a good mascara. I've gotten a sample before. Yeah, and I like that one. I don't know. I think I've gotten it. Yeah, I've gotten this before, and it's good. And I'll have to try that other one out. Well, that's all for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the little mystery bag. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe. Tap the bell so you'll be notified of new videos. And please follow me on social media. Thank you. Goodbye.